My name is Kayla Mueller. I need your help. I've been here too long and I've been very sick, and it's very terrifying here.
When you saw that, Carl?
Well, you know, it's hard to even recall some of these things because you just go into almost a catatonic state, I think. You just can't even stand up.
I saw how thin she looked, but I saw her eyes were clear. She was very steady. So it broke my heart, but I also saw her strength.
My name is Carl Mueller. This is my wife, Marcia, and we are the parents of our only daughter, Kayla Mueller. This message is to the leader of the Islamic State holding our daughter. This is a plea for Kayla's life.
A summer morning, 3 years ago this month, in Prescott, Arizona.
Monday morning at about 4 or 5 a.m.
Their 25-year-old daughter, Kayla, had gone missing.
They called us and said, you know, they weren't really concerned, don't worry.
Marcia and Carl Mueller soon learned from Kayla herself that there was plenty to worry about. Kayla was in the hands of one of the most brutal terrorist groups the world has ever known, ISIS.
You just go into almost a catatonic state, I think. You just can't even stand up.
Carl owned an auto repair shop. Marcia was a former nurse. Nothing prepared the Muellers for what was about to happen, the scary, secret world they were about to enter.
I'm Barack Obama.
As the world watched the brutal murders by ISIS of 3 young American men, the plight of a 4th American, Kayla, was kept a closely held secret.
Obviously, the White House doesn't want this to all come out.